So now we're going to go in with the Ruby Kisses palette, and we're going to take Tropicana. Tropicana is a pretty orange. When I say that pretty orange, it can be versatile as an all over the lid shade, and it can be versatile as a crease color. Like if you really focus it in your crease and use windshield wiper motions, you can really get that nice payoff. And it's very affordable. And did I mention pigmented as ever? Yes, it is. So now I'm going to be taking a flower from, this is a brand that I got from Michael because I am a planner girl. So if you check out my YouTube channel, BPD Plans, I love to plan and I use these as deco stickers. But today I decided I wanted to use them as a sticker for makeup. And I just applied the pink ones to the outer V, and we just worked around there for the shadows. I'm going in with the NYX Off Tropic palette, and I'm going to be taking the hot pink from the palette and also that nice warmish brown color, and I'm going to be applying it on top of the orange and kind of give it that nice pigmented ombre-ish pinkish orange color. And I'm going to go over the flower as well as I am applying it into the crease. And then I'm going to end with the same exact palette, and I'm going to be using the purple. Going in and also continue to blending out the colors. And while I'm blending out the colors, I'm making sure that there's no lines in the crease area, because you don't want to make sure there's no lines in the crease. And then also I'm going to go in with the Ruby Kisses. Actually, I'm going to cut the crease first, and then I will be right back. Since earlier we did mention that we were going to go in with the Ruby Kisses eyeshadow in Envy, I'm going to be applying that all over the lid first, and then I'm going to be going back in with the 180 palette, and I'm going to be taking a darker green. I'm going to be applying it all over the lid. The 180 palette from eBay. I cannot talk today for some reason. Just can't talk today. Going in with the 180 palette from eBay, and I'm going to be taking the purple. I'm going to be applying it right next to the green. Like, see, like it can be like a ombre green. I did take the flowers off, and I tried to draw it with white eyeshadow. I am not a pro like some Instagrammers do, so I just decided to keep it right back on and just go with the flow and reconnect the shadows around the perimeter of the flower so that you can see the shadows. And it wasn't working for me, but I kind of like it that way, so I just kind of still kept the flowers and kept going. As you can see, where I did try to attempt to use the white eyeliner pencil from LA Colors, it didn't work. It's pigmented, but it just didn't work for me. At first it turned out to be pigmented, and then I was like, no. So then I went back in and just kept it You see, guys, I tried. One day. But then I went back in with these sticker, and then I went back over the sticker with the eyeshadow that was already in place because it was not looking cute at all. After that, I'm going to be reconnecting eyeshadows again and back into the outer V because it did not turn out the way that I wanted to turn out. So yeah, I'm kind of bummed about it, but then I'm going to go in with the purple and kind of build it up. And I thought about using black, but I was like, no, this is like a spring cut crease. So keeping it, you know, springy. Then I went back in with the flowers and I put the flowers back in place. And then I'm going to be taking some eyeliner and then mascara and then lashes. And that should complete the entire look.